Who's all present? Grandma.
Open.
Open. That help?
Colin, you have to open it. What is it?
Look.
Oh, what is it? Oh, how cute. No, you don't know how cute this is. Look at it. It's like little designer sweatpants. With logo. Look at the striped shirt. That's super cute. Come here. Okay, say hi. Say thank you, Aunt Bis Bis. Say thank you. Can you say thank you? How about blow her a kiss? Go. Oh,